Welcome to my channel, Stack to Strategy. Today I am going to talk about how AI is changing product management, the truth that no one is telling. What if you could design, build, test and launch a product without a big team, without long timelines, and with the help of an AI assistant that works 24/7? Sounds like the future, right? That future is already unfolding. Is this the end of product management as we know it? Or the beginning of a whole new era? Forget the hype. This video is about what's really happening, what's coming next, and what you need to do to adapt. Let's take a peek into the near future, where generative AI doesn't just assist teams, it redefines them. For decades, product teams were primarily built on two engines: discovery, understanding the problem; delivery, building the solution. Each product typically required a team of 6 to 8 people, PMs, designers, engineers, all deeply involved. But now, generative AI is disrupting that structure dramatically. Additionally, Gen AI is shrinking delivery times. Think of it this way. With Gen AI, you can write instant code, automated tests, design suggestions, all without the grunt work. Now here's where people get nervous. If AI writes code, designs screens, and tests features, why do we need product teams at all? Before we get to the answer of this question, I would want to share a quote by Steve Jobs, which says, "A great idea is just 10% of the work." In the current context, what this means is that even with Gen AI speeding up the execution, from writing user stories to running test cases, writing efficient code to generating UI mockups, the real value still lies in discovering the right idea. And that still requires thoughtful, human-led effort. In other words, Gen AI can help you build faster, but it cannot tell you what's worth building. Just because AI can build something fast doesn't mean it should. The critical thinking, product sense, and decision-making behind a product will still continue to be very much human. The real magic isn't in the execution, it is in the thinking, in understanding your user, empathizing with his problems, and solving the right problems. In my opinion, AI does not really replace product managers. It reveals who's thinking strategically and who's just managing tasks and focusing on output. I think AI is powerful, but only in the hands of a team that knows what to build. Let's talk about the elephant in the room: jobs. What does this mean for your job as a product manager? The future isn't just more efficient, it's smaller. A mid-sized company might currently need 120 to 160 people across 15 to 20 product teams. Soon, that could shrink to just 9 to 15 people, with AI enabling each team to take on broader responsibilities. This is referred as AI-assisted cognitive load. Teams that can handle more because AI handles complexity. It's a massive change in team topology, productivity, and cost. Let's be honest, some roles like feature-focused product managers will be automated or absorbed. If your role is heavy on process and light on judgment, you're on thin ice. But the roles that stay, they become more strategic, more creative, and more valuable than ever. Think less about how do I deliver a story. Think more about how do I define outcomes and drive impact. So, what should you do now? Learn AI tools that can be leveraged right from user research to product road mapping. Develop judgment. Become the strategic decision maker AI supports. Focus on outcomes, not just outputs, features, or checklists. Upskill continuously. The pace of change is only increasing, and you need to match up that pace to be relevant. This isn't a death sentence for PMs, designers, or engineers, but it is a wake-up call to move beyond tasks, to master strategy, business judgment, and develop product sense. To be part of shaping what gets built, not just how it gets done. The roles aren't disappearing, they're evolving. AI is not here to replace you. It's here to make you 10x more impactful if you know how to use it. Drop your biggest question about AI and product work in the comments. I'll answer them. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your PM squad. You can connect with me using my TopMeet account, topmeet.io/AbhijitGupta1571.